Hello everyone, I am Dr. Asmita Doshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about one of the very important decisions of any organization, and that is facility location. Facility location may be defined as a place where the facility will be set up for producing goods or services. The location selection is needed when a business is newly started or when the existing business unit has outgrown its original facilities. Some other reasons are expansion, need for new branches, lease renewal, or socio-economic reasons. The facility location decision is influenced by multiple factors. One important factor is proximity to the supplier. This will help in reducing the transportation cost of raw materials and maintaining continuity in the production process. Site cost plays a vital role. There are specially earmarked zones for development of the industrial areas like the Industrial Development Corporation, Special Economic Zones and Industrial Corridors. Companies set up in these areas enjoy special grants, tax relief, exemption from custom duties and subsidies from the government. Availability of required labor, raw materials, amenities and transportation facilities are important factors as well. There are certain industries which require particular climatic conditions for their working. For example, humid climate is required for cotton, textile and jute industries. This is the reason why many such companies are located in the coastal areas. Here are the different methods of selection of location. The first method is break-even point method. Break-even point is where the total revenue equals total cost. For each location, fixed and variable costs are determined and plotted on a graph. Ranges of output for which each location has the lowest total cost are identified. After solving for the break-even points over the identified ranges, the final decision is made. Point rating method. In this technique, first of all, the organization needs to identify the factors that influence its location decision. The relevant factors are identified and listed. Next, each factor is assigned a weight between 0 to 10 according to the level of its importance, where 0 denotes least important and 10 denotes most important. At the end, whichever location option scores the highest will be selected. In this example, location A would be selected since location A is scoring 31, B is scoring 28 and location C is scoring 29. Center of gravity technique uses the transportation cost to determine the facility location. This method maps various supply locations on a Cartesian plane and suggests the central facility location with respect to the location of suppliers. Lower the distance, lower would be the transportation cost. The transportation method of linear programming evaluates multiple transportation routes of shipping goods from multiple origins to multiple destinations and finds the least cost route. Analytic Delphi method makes the use of experts or consultants who would help the organization select the best location from amongst the various alternatives. For the service sector, the locations are selected closer to the customers so as to increase their accessibility. This was true till a few months back, but with the new normal being defined by COVID-19 pandemic, proximity to the customers might not be desirable. Now, online businesses are booming and instead of customers coming to the service outlets like retail stores, banks, restaurants, colleges, etc., the services are available to the customer's doorstep. Here are some examples of location decisions. We see companies selecting new locations because of amenities available at the site. Here we see a few examples. These news articles show the importance of role of government policies and incentives to attract companies in the region. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you have learned something new. Stay tuned to this channel for more videos on production and operations management topics in the coming weeks. Also, let me know on which topics would you like me to address next. If you found this helpful, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.